everyone, iOS 26.2 has been out for a little bit of time now, and you might be wondering if you should go through and install iOS 26.2 on your iPhone 12. Now, what I can tell you is, from what I can see from my experience, the iPhone 12 on iOS 26.2 has been a very interesting type of device. So I think the big takeaway, the big thing to keep in mind here is that if you're going to go through and pick up a phone, the iPhone 12 still is giving you a good experience, but my experience on iOS 26.2 is not really the greatest. It still is kind of going to be giving you some issues, some problems, some certain things like that. But what I will tell you is that if you are in Australia, out of all places, I know it's random, but if you are in Australia, there is a very interesting thing going on. For iPhone 12 owners who are in Australia, for some reason, their phones are basically giving them these issues where they're not really able to go through and dial emergency services in those moments. So because of that, you're kind of stuck in the situation where you kind of have to update your iPhone if you are actually in Australia. Now, if you are not in Australia, then that's completely different. I think you should still stay on iOS, 18. But if you are currently in Australia, I would probably recommend updating your iPhone to iOS 26.2. Otherwise, I think it still makes sense to install iOS 18.7.3. I think that update is probably going to be giving you the best experience from what I can tell. But that's still not to say that you should go and stick with an iPhone 12 and iOS 26.2. If you've already updated it, then that's great. But if you haven't, then I do think it would make sense to go ahead and basically stick with iOS 18.7.2. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.